Hello loves, welcome to UniekMakes by Cristina. Today I have an office supply haul to share with you. It's a small one, but it is packed with some nice goodies. So let's go ahead and get into this. Okay, the first thing I want to share is this paper pad from Pebbles. And if you can see, it does have some foil, which I love the little shine. And this paper pad is called Fun in the Sun. And you do get 24 double-sided sheets. So let's go ahead and check this pad out. And this is actually a summer theme. You can see back here some of the papers. Look at that. Oh wow, yeah, look at that little shine. So it does have foiling. And this is a double-sided. We got water. Look at that. Oh, I love that. I love. Oh, look at the orange with the white polka dots. And you got the sunshine. With the purple seashells. That's pretty. And then look at all these cutter parts here. Sunshine on my mind. Summer fun. And check out these stamps. And look how foiling. I love foil. This is awesome. And then you do get the like little flowers. Can't tell because of course I don't got my glasses, but get that one. And I do love a sentiment paper. Look at that. Look at all that goodness. So got good vibes, full sides. Hello, lovely. Wow, I like this paper. And then you got the green and white, green and light blue. And look at this one. This one looks like a tile of a pool. Which got spoiling. Oh wow, look at that. You got the seashells. You got the crab, the seahorse, the star. Oh, this is beautiful. You got the watermelon here. Oh, look at that color. This is a real pretty paper pad. Real pretty. Look at that. Got some flowers. You got the wood. Some starfish. Yeah, starfish. Some ice cream, popsicles. Got a pink background. Some lemon. You can use this with a lot of different kits. Look at that. You got some tags. And then it starts off all over. Wow, this is a real fun paper pad. So I got that one. Another thing I have is this flower child. Now in a previous video I did haul a lot of flower child stuff. And I saw these chipboard stickers, so I went ahead and got that. Look at that. And this also got foiling. I really don't care for the copper, but it's still pretty. Look at that. And you get 63. Look how nice that is. Love the vintage radio. So I got that one. Now another thing I hauled that they had on sale was this magnet crafters platform. Look at this. This is actually real nice. I have other platforms, but this one's a magnet. And it does include 2 magnets. This one is from Tonic. Oh, this is lovely. Oh, this is real nice. Look at that. Look at that. For the price, I believe it was like 12, around almost $12. 12 something, I thought. Either 12 or 24, I don't remember, but this is actually a great buy for that, since I do a lot of inking. Okay, another thing I added to my collection, and this is another from Pebbles. You do get 101 stickers, and this is another summer type stickers. Look at that. How nice is that? Hope there's no glare, and this is double-sided. Get those too. Love that. Love, love, love. Look at that. And then I did get another one, and this is called Sunny Blooms. I got it for the sentiments. This is a rebuy. So I got this one again. Look at that. Love, love, love. I do love the gold. Beautiful. Okay, then another thing I hauled is the Flower Child. And this one is the stickers, and then you get 69 of them. And this one got that, actually this one has like a silver, which I like. Look at that. Oh, I love, love, love. And this is also double-sided. I got a lot of this kit, so I was getting the little bit of stuff that I didn't have in my stash. So now I got the Flower Child kit. Well, majority of them. Okay, the next thing I hauled were Flower Child ephemera pieces, and you do get 50. A lot of these are flowers. Look at that. Love it. Love, love, love. And this one's ephemera pieces, and you do get 40. And it's also from Flower Child. So these are the two that I got to go with my kit. Now this is the Fun in the Sun to go with the paper pad. And this is from Pebbles. So you get 74 ephemera pieces. And look at that. How fun is that? That makes a fun summer project. Beautiful. And then also, this is the second one from the Fun in the Sun. Okay, there's more ephemera pieces. This one came with 65. The other one came with 74. So these are the two that they had. Look at that. Love, love, love. Love that. Look at those. And then I also hauled this one, which is for the collection Rainbow Avenue, and you get 69. Look at that. I don't have the paper pad, but I like what the ephemera was, so I could use that for other projects. So that one, like that. Now this one, I saw this. This is the Boho Dreams. Look at that. I love unicorns. And it does have some glitter. You see that there? There's some glitter on there. You know me, I like some shine. And that's what you get in there. Cute. That's a cute one. So the only thing I found of this was the actual ephemera. But I could use that for other stuff. And I did get 2 of those. Okay, the next thing I hauled is this Pebble stamp. And this one you do get 11 stamps. And this is part of the Fun in the Sun. Look at that. I do like the tag and the little girl on there. I got that one. And I did get some homemade flowers in the yellow. I have a swap coming up, so I figured I'd use some of these. And then you do get, does it say? No, doesn't say. But you get some small ones, medium, large, and then you get the leaves. So I got that. Now I love jemmies, so I got some more cutie pie, and these are the hearts. Yeah, so you get the 5 different colors. Look at that, love, love, love. So I was able to get that one, and this is the pebbles one, and this one goes to collection. Yeah, the Fun in the Sun, I believe. You get 60. Look at that. So you get stars and seashells and some other. I got those. And then some flower child ones. I got these flower jemmies, and you do get 36. I got 2 of those. Yeah, that's my little haul from Office Supply. Office Supply still has some good deals on there, so don't forget to go ahead and check that out. Let me know what is your favorite. I really do like the magnetic platform, and I thought it was 12. It was really cheap. I'm not sure. I'll look it up. But yeah, if it's still available. But yeah, let me know in the comments below. Were you able to get your hands on? Don't forget to subscribe, because I'm always posting deals and some nice crafty goodies. Hit the notification so you do know when I upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.